Hi, I'm Marco J. Goches from Encore Riverside's media team. On May 3rd and 4th, the entire Riverside campus got together to watch the Ambassadors Legends show and Riverside's Broadway Circus and Superhero Factory. Broadway Circus showed us what it's like to audition on Broadway through classic show tunes. Superhero Factory humorously told the story of superheroes stopping villains from stealing the weather. Finally, the Ambassadors performed songs from legendary artists such as Elvis, the Beatles, and Beyoncé. Thank you, Pirates. See you next time. Bye.